video, we move to 2.9, talking about the stereotypes style used in the use case diagram. These stereotypes, if you apply this kind of the style, it's just like it's the double, the less than, and the double more than the signal. We have already learned how to use that in the sequence diagram in the last chapter. So this one is let's try to see how you can make this within a use case diagram. The usage is exactly the same, just we can feel with the certain difference those style and the positions when you put that into the actor or the use case elements. So let's do the test altogether. So let me create 0209.PUML, then start UML and the UML title 0 types in use case diagram. So that is our title. Now let's see here. So within this diagram is we first let's make the basic one. So we have two actor and two this use case. Let's define those two actors. So in the standard way. So you can skip something, but if you want to use this in the larger diagram, I would like that you can practice this standard way. So we have a user and give our as u. We have the mean database as db, and we have our part of the use case with the parents is the start SST. We have another one is use the application as, let's see, now I put it as app. So we have, but it's the kind of our the strings we put the db as our actor. So, but that depending on how you feel that is, it's fine. So, but now let's see, we have our user with these steerings. So let's see, we can put here user is a type of human. So if I put in that here, or I think is if I don't have that, I can put that here. When you define your user, you can put that here. So these are the two ways. And another way, so maybe I make a comments. I comments remove this, and I put this here. So you can see, you can put this in the real coding, or you can put that in the either way of the definition period. So in the sample is put into the definition. So that is the way that you can choose which one you like. To me is I think is I may prefer this way. First is I just define the element. Then is I can starting to add these stereotypes because I treat the stereotype as some properties or some additional information I want to apply to this actor or this use case. So it's better is you can put that here. So that means is I want to simply put definition and not make that stereotypes directly here. So then is this may need additional line of code, but I want to use this way to show you how you can keep your logic of your coding is in the clear, more clear way. So then is we have this database. Actually we call that this MySQL. So now is I have this MySQL database as our application. So DB as an application, use the application. So let me make this as a use. then let's put is the MySQL. So if you put is MySQL, then you will create. I think it's not create anything else. So let's make is the application. You can see here is days is the main database. Here is case sensitive, so you should not use this capital Q and L. But between these stereotypes, the character, you can have a space or you can ignore the space. So that is depending on what your purpose. So, but I should say is if I put in that here is MySQL, making this way is not correct. So at least within these two pairs, you must have at least a space that will trigger some stereotypes the interpreting. So that also the reason is I also suggest is you have a space before and after, even if they are not count into the display, but this will give you also a kind of the more readability and ensure you don't have our arrow to miss space. And then this we have ST. So ST we have also one shot, and then the use is min. So now you can see we have all the stereotype, I believe. So so here I think is that you should have this parentheses, I think. Oh no, so what that means? Line 15. So yeah, this I also need the parentheses, I believe. Yeah. So ST. So this as ST. So I should. But here is the interesting part is you cannot use alias of the use case to do this kind of stereotype. So let me see if I put this start, use the original name. Now it's good. And here I think if I use the use, so that Y I think is here defined as the use, right? But if you use this alias, it's not working. So let's put that this one. You have to put this here. Or you need to repeat this full name. So let me remove this. So now is we got that. So try to distinguish the usage what I have done. So now is we have our U go to the start. So I think it's with a single hyphen. So we have the ST. Now is we can directly go to the ST. So with the short name, and we have the U go to use. That also my alias. This is the U. So but now I think it's not use my alias. I think it should display the user, right? Now after the stereotype is not to show that. But now it's this is my U. So I think it's then the stereotype must go to this original name. So this user, where is this user? I don't have that one. I have another user with the stereotype. Then this is SU. So now I change the behavior. So I think it would be better you just make this into the definition parts. So then prevent you create another duplications. So now it's MySQL. Let me see is MySQL whether it can be linked. Go to use. this one is looks good, but this start is use this st is not work. So let me also put this one, replace this. Now is I go to the start like this, and then now all the stereotype is coming. So let's have a recap. So you can directly use this definition. So let's ignore this one. But if I let me do one more test. So if I use this one, now I have Alice. Can I have the Alice to do this? You and you. I think it's now is okay. So this way without Alice, or this way with Alice, but you have to put this stereotype is during the definition. But for this MySQL database is the interesting. So for this actor, I actually is put that not in the this definition, but is working. But for this U is not work. So that is, I hope is you can also find your way to deal with that. But no matter is if you want to add stereotypes, just this few method, choose one is workable for your diagram, then that will be totally fine. So then with this, we finish this 2.9. Next video is we will do this arrow directions analysis and the discussion. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.